Welcome back to the House of Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're excited to talk about a luxury SUV that combines Scandinavian elegance with advanced technology. The Volvo XC90 2024. Known for its sophisticated design, safety features, and luxurious comfort, the 2024 XC90 continues to set the benchmark in the premium SUV segment. Let's dive into what makes this vehicle a standout choice and reveal its price point. Elegant and timeless design. The Volvo XC90 2024 exudes a refined and sophisticated design that is both modern and timeless. Its sleek lines, distinctive doors, hammer-led headlights, and bold front grille make a powerful statement on the road. The attention to detail is evident in every curve and contour, giving the XC90 an elegant yet commanding presence. The available color options and stylish alloy wheels further enhance its luxurious appeal, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. Luxurious and comfortable interior. Step inside the XC90, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that epitomizes Scandinavian luxury and craftsmanship. The interior features high-quality materials, including fine Napa leather, genuine wood trim, and brushed metal accents. The spacious seating for up to 7 passengers ensures everyone travels in comfort, while the panoramic sunroof fills the cabin with natural light, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. The front seats offer massage and ventilation functions, providing the ultimate in comfort and relaxation on long journeys. Cutting-edge technology. The Volvo XC90 2024 is equipped with state-of-the-art technology designed to enhance your driving experience. The Sensus infotainment system, featuring a large vertical touchscreen, provides seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Bowers-Wilkins premium sound system delivers an exceptional audio experience, turning every drive into a concert-like event. Additionally, the XC90 offers wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and an advanced navigation system, ensuring you stay connected and informed on the go. Unmatched safety features. Safety is at the core of Volvo's design philosophy, and the 2024 XC90 is no exception. The SUV comes equipped with Volvo's IntelliSafe suite, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and the innovative Pilot Assist, which provides semi-autonomous driving assistance. The XC90 also features a 360-degree camera, cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking, making it one of the safest vehicles on the road. These advanced safety systems work together to protect you and your passengers, providing peace of mind on every journey. Powerful and efficient performance. Under the hood, the Volvo XC90 2024 offers a range of powertrains, including a T8 plug-in hybrid option that combines a turbocharged and supercharged 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor, delivering impressive power and efficiency. The hybrid system produces a combined 400 horsepower, allowing the XC90 to accelerate smoothly and effortlessly while maintaining excellent fuel economy. The advanced all-wheel drive system and refined suspension provide a comfortable and composed ride, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the great outdoors. Price and availability. The 2024 Volvo XC90 is available in several trims, with prices starting at around $56,000 for the base model and going up to $80,000 for the fully loaded T8 plug-in hybrid inscription model. This range allows you to choose the configuration that best suits your needs and preferences, whether you prioritize luxury, performance, or eco-friendly driving. The Volvo XC90 2024 is a luxurious and versatile SUV that excels in design, comfort, technology, and safety. With its elegant aesthetics, advanced features, and robust performance, the XC90 is an excellent choice for those seeking a premium driving experience. Thank you for tuning into the House of Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the Volvo XC90 2024. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.